Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another Lookfantastic limited edition beauty box to share with you. But it's a little folder. I love this. This is the mask edit. And look, it opens up like that. That's so cool. So if you're interested in finding out more, then carry on watching. The cost of the mask edit is £35. It has a value of £103. You'll find details on this collection down below in my description, as well as the codes. Let's get on to showing you then what's inside. There's no card that comes with it. I don't think so anyway. I don't think so. There is. There's a card that comes in it. It's the first time I'm seeing this. First up, we've got a sheet mask from Beauty Pro. This is hyaluronic acid, a gold foil mask, and it contains hyaluronic acid, Q10 and soya bean. Intense hydration for fatigued skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it's an award-winning brand. And it tells you all the information on the back there on how to use it. Pop it on your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes or so, as you'll do with most of them, and then you just massage the remaining essence into your skin. Next, we got eye masks by Verso with retinol 8, and it just says moisturising hydrogel eye mask. There, you can feel them in there. 2 little eye gels. Delivering deep hydration and anti-aging benefits to appear visibly plumped and youthful. Next, Holika. This is a Korean brand. This is a pure essence sheet mask with shea butter. Everything's in Korean, but I'll have a look on the information booklet. This highly absorbent, ultra-fine sheet mask infuses skin with powerful ingredients for visible results. Next, we've got an MZ Skin or MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani, an anti-pollution hydrating face mask, detoxifying and hydrating hydrogel. And yeah, it's a sheet mask. I was going to tell you what was inside it, but you know what's inside it. It's an anti-pollution sheet mask, and it has instructions there on how to use it, how long to use it for and things like that. Seeking to combat the damaging effects of blue light exposure and urban pollutants. So there's that. Next, we've got Garnier Skincare. This is niacinamide Ampule Sheet Mask. This is a 5-minute mask. It rebalances and restores in just 5 minutes for combination skins. It's a concentrated sheet mask. Featuring 2% niacinamide to help rebalance and smooth the complexion, along with detoxifying kale extract. Next, we've got some eye patches. This is by Rodial, and these are the jelly eye patches from the Snake range to freeze and smooth with Sin Ache, Tripeptide, Botanical Leaf Complex, and Glycerin. Formulated with bamboo charcoal, the sheet mask helps cleanse and detoxifies the skin. It looks like you'll either receive eye patches or a bubble sheet mask. That's what I've just read. So a bubble sheet mask or a snake eye patch. Then we got something for your hair. This is by Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. Adds elasticity and bounce to fine, medium and coarse hair. It's a deep conditioning treatment, and it's 40 mils there. So it's a big pouch. One use or maybe 2 uses depending on your hair. It says enjoy the iconic deep conditioning treatment to revive dry and brittle hair, leaving hair for less breakage. Then we've got a DIY face mask base by Foreo, recipes for my Foreo, and this is Imagination. Oh, look, oh, I love stuff like this where you have to mix it or make it yourself. Oh wow, oh my gosh. This is your mask base. Then you've got a booklet to write all your ingredients in to make your own. Hey, created specifically to use with fresh ingredients from your kitchen, it's the perfect base for your homemade mask. So you've got a base, and then it's up to you then what to use. And for more information, go on to the Foreo website. Is that? Then we got something for your lips. This is by Star Skin Dream Kiss Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask. And you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. These lip masks are soaked in 5 ml of serum, delivering pillow soft, kissable, smooth lips in just 15 minutes. Oh, Bio Effect. I love this brand. It's quite pricey. I love their serum. This is an imprinting hydrogel mask, hydrating face mask with hyaluronic acid. And I haven't used one of these before. Information on the back there. as well. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this mask rehydrates and replenishes the skin. Then we've got Nip of Fab. This is a retinol fix sheet mask. It refreshes, renews and revitalizes the complexion with retinoid and coconut water. Is that? Formulated with a blend of retinoids and antioxidants to leave your complexion feeling relaxed. Refreshed, not relaxed, refreshed. And then lastly, we have got a sheet mask. This is, again, is it for your lips? Lipsum. I'm assuming it is. This is by Décolleté. A moisture lipsum mask. There. Is to use all over your face. This mask banishes dryness on your lips for a softer, suppler look and feel. Perfect for winter. Well, why does it? Yeah. But look at the picture. They're applying a full face mask. I don't know. Anyway, there's all the 12 masks in this mask collection. Handy as a keepsake to put other sheet masks if you love your sheet mask, that is. Yeah, I quite like that. I'd love to hear your thoughts though as usual, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.